In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Duplicates photo utility found inside of iOS 16 to find and remove copies to clean up your iPhone's photo library. Duplicate Photos is just another one of the many new features found in Apple's newest iOS 16 release. This allows you to find and merge or delete copies of photos to save even more space on your iPhone. Before we begin, you must be updated to the latest iOS version, iOS 16. To check your iOS version, just head into the Settings app. Inside of here, scroll down and tap General and then Software Update. If you haven't updated yet, you can then start the process here. Once you're on iOS 16, let's look at how to find the duplicate photos. Start by opening the Photos app. Inside of here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu. Here you'll see the Duplicates option. Choose that. You'll then be taken to a folder with all of the duplicate images found on your device. According to Apple, duplicates are classified as both exact copies that may differ in metadata, and also copies that may be taken in different file formats, resolutions, or other slight differences. To merge and remove the copy of the photo, tap Merge on the right of the image. You'll then get a pop-up letting you know that by merging, you'll only be keeping the highest quality version of the image and with the best and most relevant metadata. To merge and delete the copy, tap Merge Items. It will then merge and then delete the copy and move it to the recently deleted folder. Those photos will then be permanently deleted from your device within 40 days, freeing up more space on your iPhone. And that's how you find and delete copies of photos from your iPhone using iOS 16.